Hello students, this is me, Saurabh Avasthi, English faculty of Mount Litra J School, Jhansi. And today we are going to start the second chapter of this book, that is, We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, written by Gordon Cook and Alan East. Let's begin with the summary of this chapter. In this story, the narrator, Gordon Cook, his wife Mary, and their children, Jonathan and Susan, set sail in their boat Wave Walker from Plymouth in July 1976. They planned to emulate Captain James Cook's voyage of 1776, where in the beginning, when they started, the initial part of the journey to Cape Town in South Africa was very easy for them, where the narrator hired two men to help them in navigating to Australia. But soon the ship started to encounter rough seas. They lasted for many weeks, but the ship survived. But by 2nd of Jan, the conditions took a turn for the worst conditions now, because the waves were enormous and the ship was moving too fast despite using only a small sail. Here they tied down everything securely, wore their safety gear and waited for things to calm down. Now the things are going to be changed. However, the ship was hit by a towering wave that threw Gordon overboard, which means out of the ship. He nearly drowned, but was saved by his lifeline. And the ship too nearly capsized, but a wave cast her upright, and Gordon pulled himself back on board. You can see in the picture also how the ship is floating on the water and how Gordon came back on the ship. He was flung around and injured, and he made his way to the wheel. Finally, he reached to the wheel and tried to handle the ship now. Suddenly, Mary showed up and informed Gordon that the ship was sinking. So Gordon left Mary at the wheel of the ship and went inside to see broken beams and scattered possessions, where he saw that the two crewmen were already pumping water out of the ship. Then Gordon went to check on his children. They claimed to be all right, though Sue's head was hurt. So Gordon clambered onto the deck and managed to cover the holes with canvas. Everyone worked through the night, pumping out the water, steering the ship, as well as making emergency calls. But this time, Sue's head was badly swollen. Her arm was injured, as well as when asked why she did not complain about her injuries. The plucking child said that she did not want to alarm her father. By the morning of Jan 3rd, the pumps had brought the water level under control. However, Gordon discovered that the ship was very badly damaged. Wave Walker, the name of the ship that means, would not survive the journey up to Australia. Like this, Gordon was just thinking. So Gordon decided to sail towards the nearest island, that was LA Amsterdam, 100 kilometers east of their location. So now the narrator started floating towards LA Amsterdam, that was an island. They put up the storm sail and continued towards east. They were actually not knowing this thing that whether they will find that island or not, but still they just continued. The family and the crew ate their first meal. That means they ate first time, that means after the incident which happened in the evening of the 2nd of Jan. So after then they had their first meal that day after almost 2 days. Unfortunately, storm clouds gathered again. Now you can just imagine again. The danger was back again. Now Gordon went in to comfort his children one day, where he tried to convince John that everything was fine. But John valiantly declared that Shiv and he weren't afraid of dying if they were all together. Gordon was moved by his son's bravery and was determined to now survive. And finally, that evening, however, Gordon and Mary were sure that the ship would sink as water kept leaking into the ship. Miraculously, the ship survived the storm. Gordon tried to calculate their location using just an uncalibrated compass. So, he was unable to make an accurate estimate. But his daughter Shiv raised his spirit. Here, she had made him a funny card, thanking him and hoping for the best. Gordon determined to reach the island, set a course towards where he guessed the islands were. Now, he wasn't feeling very hopeful though, as he dozed off in his bunk. When he awoke a few hours later, he was greeted excitedly by his children. And they were very happy because they said that you are the best captain and the best daddy. They informed him that they had reached LA Amsterdam. That was a big surprise for the narrator. In the morning, as they went ashore, Gordon reflected on the fortitude of the two crewmen and on his wife Mary, who had uncomplainingly navigated the ship for hours. Most of all, he thought of Shiv, who had bravely endured a serious head injury, and of John, who had not been afraid to die. As in the picture also you can see that what John have said. We aren't afraid of dying if we can all be together. You and Mummy, Shiv and I. So this was the summary of the chapter. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. So now the question answers will be given in the next video. Till then, be safe, be healthy, keep watching this video. Okay, thank you so much.